Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexandria. As you can see from the title of this video, this is going to be my hair routine, and I actually really enjoyed doing this video. I used the diffuser for the first time and it was pretty fun. It brought me a lot of volume that I honestly wasn't expecting, but I am learning to love it quickly. But hope you guys stay around, check out the video. If you have any questions or anything, be sure to leave those down below. And yeah, enjoy the video. Hello, this is Alexandria King, and she's reporting live from her office to finally do her hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm ready to wash my hair. Also for Christmas, I got a Dyson from my husband, and I'm super excited to use that because one, I've never used a diffuser on my curls and I'm interested to see how that works out. And I have a few new products that I picked up from Wal Mart because I was out of products and I just wanted to try something new. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. No, but for real. Okay, so I'm gonna start by like just taking this out. It's pretty tangled at this point in my life, so I'm just gonna like comb it out before I go wash it, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so my hair is washed and I just set conditioner in it for a little bit. I use this hair mayonnaise. I've been using it for years. It's just a staple in our home. We use it all the time. When I was younger, I used to just put it in there and I would literally leave it in there all day. I mean, as an adult, I've done it too, but just not today because I want to try the diffuser and I don't want to have that in my hair, you know, doing the diffuser. But I just want to show you guys a few things that I picked up from Walmart just to kind of try them out. Aunt Jackie's Quench. This is actually something that I've been using for a bit. It works perfectly in my older daughter's hair, but it doesn't work well in the twins' hair. So this will be my first time actually using it in my hair to see if it will work well. The Blue Magic coconut oil, again, have used it for years and my hair just seems way more moisturized when I use this, so this has become a staple as well. Now the rest of these items are new. I've never tried the black castor and flaxseed oil eco styler in my hair. Some of the eco stylers actually leave my hair flaky, so I hope that doesn't happen with this. And then the African Pride Shea Miracle Bounce Curl Pudding is also a new product for me. I have not used this before in anyone's hair. I just picked it up from Walmart. There weren't many options there due to this pandemic that's going on, I'm assuming, because usually there are way more options. But we will see how this goes. And then I also picked up two more African Pride products. This one is Olive Miracle Anti-Breakage Olive and Tea Tree Growth Oil Treatment. It smells really good. Again, this does not work in the twins' hair, so I'm gonna see if it works well in my hair. And then this one is the same concept, but it's a daily hydration oil moisturizer lotion. Didn't work in the twins' hair, so I'm gonna see if it works in my hair. So I have no rhyme or reason of how I'm gonna put these things in, because my hair is not really picky like that. Typically, once I put any type of moisturizer in there, it holds well. However, not using these products before, I'm not sure how that's gonna go, but we'll see. So this is what my hair looks like once it's been washed. It looks a little, actually no, it feels pretty good, but I am gonna go ahead and just put, I know this isn't gonna cover everything, but really it's just gonna be like a broad, you know, mixture here. Just so that it's not super dry by the time I get to it. And I know I'm gonna have to re-spray it because it's already pretty dry. But I'm gonna work like this today. Okay. So this is how we're gonna start. And then I want to get every single strand. Use this for the water for my hair. So I'm just gonna section off a small piece because I want to make sure everything is well coated. Okay, and I know this might seem a little small or like it's gonna take a long time, but the back of my hair is super picky, so I make these smaller just so I can pay extra attention to it. So I just put the leave-in conditioner in there, and I'm just going to brush that out. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of this oil. I'm just trying to open everything. Oh, that actually smells really good. The Eco Styler. Oh, that smells good too. So I usually smell everything in the store, but I had a mask on when I went in the store and I wasn't gonna take it off to smell stuff. So yeah, so I'm gonna use just a little bit of this oil in my hair as well. And then some of this curl pudding. All right, and then some Eco Styler. All right, so I'm just gonna do a few more small sections like this, and then I can work with the rest in bigger sections. Just the back is like real iffy sometimes, so I found that if I don't pay extra attention to the back, then I won't be happy with it. So like, yeah, today's like one of those days, and I don't even know how these products, yeah, so I guess I'm just gonna leave that alone because I'm not gonna be here all day. I'm working on trying to finish before the twins wake up. So let me just go ahead and knock this out. So my hair dries kind of fast. At the same time, it holds on to water. So like basically like to touch, it feels like it's dry, but like my roots are like wet. So that's why recently I don't last summer, I didn't do any wash and goes because I felt like my hair took forever to dry, and then it turned out being a bit more frizzy than I care for it to be. So hopefully this diffuser would like really make a difference. All right, so this is what my hair looks like with just the leave-in conditioner in. But I'm gonna add more stuff to it because I don't know, I just feel like I should. The oil, moisturizer, pudding. Boom, boom, boom. Make sure everything is covered. I guess a black shirt definitely wasn't the way to go for this, but I'm sure it's okay. And that clumps my curls together well. Okay, so now that the products are in my hair, I'm going to just go through and scrunch up and squeeze out some of the excess. I'm gonna try this diffuser. So I've opened the box. Oh my goodness. I've opened the box once before, but I haven't like used it yet. So I use the Shine and Jam with honey. This is my personal favorite because I don't want anything that's like too much. Yeah. So this is how my hair turned out. I twisted back this side because I don't know, I just wanted to add some dimension. This is the curlier side, so it is shorter than this side. However, I really like how everything turned out, so went ahead and did up a little bit. I picked it out some, and this is about maybe 2 hours or so after I finished, and so it's completely dry now. It's super big, and just so you guys can see like the hair texture on this side. Yeah, so this is how my hair routine served me this time. Of course, every time will not be the same, and I'm sure everyone who has their natural curly hair knows and understands that, but I'm happy with how this turned out. So if you guys have any product recommendations, comments, whomever, please be sure to leave those down below. I really love interacting with you guys down there, and follow me on Instagram because I do post daily content on Instagram, and you guys keep up with me there. But I hope you guys are in and staying safe and feeling well. Catch you guys next time.